to Open, everyone. Always inviting you to stay connected. That's right. Be sure to like us on Facebook at Open Bronxnet Television. All right, so it's International Women's Day, and today we want to shine a light on business owners from the Bronx. And next up, Vegan is the name of the business that has many Bronxites talking plant-based lifestyle. That's right. It's the first vegan prep service in the Bronx, and the founder is all about educating the community on the benefits of making greens taste good. So joining us to tell us more while teaching us how to make a tasty vegan dish, we welcome next stop vegan owner Blenlly Mena.
Thank you.
Hello,
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here. This is lovely. All right, so let's talk about vegan and what identifies one becoming a vegan, right?
Well, veganism has a lot of different layers depending on the person's interest in going vegan. One of the main reasons would be for health. A lot of us are obviously living in a community where our health standards are not at its best. So veganism encourages a healthier lifestyle. In addition to, if you're someone that appreciates animals and every species on Earth, you will want to perhaps go vegan because obviously you don't want any animal cruelty. And then, of course, environmental. If you are an environmentalist and love our Earth and you want generations after you to appreciate this beautiful Earth of ours, you might want to also go vegan. So those are different labels or categories of veganism, but in conjunction, veganism is just a better way of living life.
Okay, and I love it. It's also a consciousness,
Yes.
right? And so today you're going to teach us how to not only make a vegan dish, but
Yes.
make it con sabor, right? Because I think that's the issue with like eating healthy that
Yes.
scares people into
Yeah.
transitioning over is like, oh, it's going to lose its flavor. So talk to me.
Yes, so today we have what we call in Dominican Republic a chimi, right? A chimi is basically like a Dominican burger that you usually will get around 4 or 5 in the morning after the clubs when you're really craving like some junk food. So there's a lot of chimi trucks up in Uptown. If anyone's been to Dykeman, Washington Heights, you have probably gotten yours.
It's a good thing the
hungry Dominican
is here, right?
Where is he? So someone like the hungry Dominican might have probably had different versions of the chimi. So today we're introducing the vegan version of it. And it has been created very scarcely, but we have custom made it to the point to make it very simple and easy to make at home. Of course, without revealing our secret sauce, which is the main key of the vegan chimi.
Okay. All right, so she's not going to reveal the secret sauce, but all right. So what are the ingredients I guess we're going to use the secret sauce.
Of course,
but we're not going to say what's in the secret sauce.
Of course, yes.
Let's do it.
The ingredients is black beans, which I have actually already pre-cooked. We season it already, it's already cooked and everything. We put it in a processor, which is basically the way of perhaps maintaining yourself into this burger patty formation. Then we use some brown rice. So I'm using like maybe 1 cup, 2 cups of it, depending on how many patties you're making, right? For this particular purpose, we're gonna probably do 1 or 2 patties. And then you're going to add your spices, which is the key to having a yummy patty, because I don't want people to feel like, oh, I need that meaty texture to it, right? So black beans, brown rice, we also have made this with pasta. We've also made it with quinoa, couscous. It's easy to recreate with any type of other grains.
Okay.
Black beans just gives it the color of a meat, but if you want to just do lentils or even any other beans, you can as well. Again, speaking about protein, for those people out there that are like...
I'm laughing because you're like, oh, it gives it the color of meat. It's almost like you have to fool yourself.
Yeah, you do. It's part of like attracting people into the lifestyle.
Got it.
So we use different spices, but one of the main ones that I love is sriracha. And I just put a little bit of it just to give it a little bit of spice, a little kick to it.
Okay.
Liquid smoke is one of the most essential ingredients to use to give it that smoky flavor and also the smoky smell.
Okay.
Which, if you come closer, you're going to start smelling, if you will.
So it's almost like smoked chicken,
right. Ribs, or which is none of the above,
right?
In this
because
particular
it's
segment,
plant-based, right?
Exactly.
This is gonna feel like you're eating it.
Exactly. No, I cannot wait for you to try it. So we have here
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire. Yes, I had my staff back there help me as well to
some
pronounce.
Some people say Worcestershire. Some people say Worcestershire.
Okay.
Tomatoes.
Whatever. As long as you get it. Right. All these products are available at Whole Foods. Obviously, see Asian markets. I just splashed in there some pepper. This is some oregano.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit
Yeah.
about the affordability of eating
Yes.
healthy, because that's another issue.
Of course. I believe that a lot of us usually deprive ourselves from healthy living because we do understand or pretend that it is too expensive, or we give ourselves that kind of understanding when in reality it's not. For instance, if you go out there and you purchase meat or seafood, you're probably spending a lot of money already. Obviously, in comparison to going out there and buying greens or grains or perhaps protein like beans. So in comparison, I always like to talk to people about...
Is this a food
Sorry.
processor? No.
Yes,
no, we
this
can talk-
is-
No, I just wanted, because it's interesting because we're using it in a
Yes.
different way.
Yes, this is
Okay.
a food processor, and I'm just lightly going to pulse it.
Okay.
Just so that I don't actually ruin the sound of the show.
Right.
As you can see, it's already kind of crumbling into a meaty texture. So I'm just pulsing it slowly.
Right.
And then what I do at the end is just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and it also binds it very well.
I love that you can rock with me, right? Because we just jumped over this topic, and then we're going to go back to
So
the
back to the
affordability.
affordability.
Right, yeah.
Going vegan or eating healthier is definitely not expensive at all. If anyone has any questions in terms of shopping, I would recommend to contact us at Next Stop Vegan, and we will be able to give you a directory of where to find affordable food, even in your local markets and supermarkets. That's one of the main things we strive for, is to create affordability, affordable meals, which is hence why we're here.
And in addition to that, you also have the ability to
Yeah.
prepare it for them.
Exactly.
Right? And teach them how to
Yeah.
do it, so then they can then do it themselves.
Exactly. So this is why Next Stop Vegan was created, to make it affordable to the community, to make it healthy, to make it fun, and to attract people into the lifestyle.
I'm feeling this.
So I'm
She's
just
making
taking
a
like a cup.
patty.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm taking a cup of this. The pan is already, actually I use a grill normally, but I didn't want to bring a huge grill to the
Right.
studio.
Okay.
And it requires fire, so I wasn't trying to risk
Right.
people's health
Thank
here.
you.
But
Right
I
in the
brought a little
studio.
pan, and I'm just creating this patty. As you probably know, the chimi patty is almost like square,
Okay, so it
rectangular.
doesn't have to be perfect.
So it
because
doesn't have to be perfect.
Right. Well, not right now, because I want to make sure I get to try it before the
I
segment's
know,
over.
let's not
Because you look like you're kind of like a little bit on the
On
perfectionist
the perfection.
side.
Okay, let me
Yeah,
rally. I think you're telling me to hurry up. Talk less, do more. I get that a lot.
No, you're doing it.
All right, so I'm just gonna put it in the pan here, and I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil.
Ay, se quemó.
God.
Oh
Se
gosh.
me
All right,
quemó.
that's okay.
I'm gonna use this part right
Right.
here then. I give it a wing stop. Bueno, this is live, so it happens. In the
Right.
kitchen, it happens all the time. And I'm just gonna put this patty here. And as that's waiting, I'm going to just introduce to you what it will look like if it's done and completed.
Okay.
So this is just a sample of one that's already cooked. And it looks pretty much like this. And of course, we can obviously grill it more to make it look more toasty
So
and
I
more
don't know if they
grilly.
could see, like, you
Sure.
know, she just made it into a patty, and now she's showing it cooked.
Yes,
Right?
exactly. So the next step is actually introducing it into your bread.
Right.
And the bread is already cut. And I'm going to just put it in here. And I'm going to add the condiments.
Oh.
The condiments are cabbage, tomatoes, and onions. This is the traditional condiments for the chimi.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna add, and the onions smell so strong,
It
so
smells-
please pardon the smell.
Okay, well, don't put too many because I have to talk to some people
Oh,
after
yeah?
we're done.
Maybe we could skip on the onions.
Okay, well, no, we can put a little bit because I want to taste it the way you make
Just
it.
gonna put some tomatoes there, and then we're going to put 1 or 2 onions so that Miss Valentin doesn't have to.
So we're being mindful of the other guests,
Exactly.
right? Thank you.
Then we actually splash our sauce, and we do a lot of it because that is the main condiment
Oh
of
my
the
goodness!
chimi.
And that's your secret sauce.
And that is the secret sauce. And then we put it in the pan for grill. So I'm just
Okay.
gonna, well, I think
Okay.
I'm gonna probably use this
All
instead.
right. Okay, so
That's
we're
nice.
gonna put this
I'm gonna flip this one over,
right.
or perhaps take this one out.
Okay,
This is improvised.
and then we're gonna heat this one
And
up.
we're gonna try to heat that one, yes.
I'm putting my hands on it because it's mine anyway.
Exactly.
He has gloves on.
You don't have the cooties, it's okay.
But it's going in my mouth anyway. So. Except for the hungry Dominican, he's probably gonna.
He's probably gonna
try.
want half
Yeah,
of it.
Yeah, I just.
All right, so we just have to grill it a little bit on both sides, and
Right.
that is basically how the chimi comes out to look like this.
Okay, and
So
this
that
is
is the
what
final
this is the end
demonstration.
product, right? I just want everyone to see while she's cooking up mine. Look how beautiful. I love.
Oh my God, this burned
It looks
a little bit.
Fabulous. She's used to cooking with a grill.
Yeah, this is totally different and improvised, but the texture and the flavors are still going to be there.
Okay, so
So
I
let's
want to take a
this
bite
out.
before.
Absolutely, yes, please.
We can put it here.
Let me just give you a hand there so you don't burn
We're
yourself.
going to flip it on the other side.
Just be
Right.
careful because the...
Well, I'm not really... Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Okay.
Just hold it well.
Okay.
Okay.
And
And then I'm going to probably give you a
she's
little
gonna cut
bite.
it. And then while she's cutting it, I want you guys to know that, again, she's available for services and for educational, I guess, what?
Yes,
Like
absolutely.
panels
We
and things
definitely
like that?
are considering doing more seminars, workshops. We do a lot of pop-ups as well. Let me give you some more sauce. So yeah, follow us on next.vegan.com or next.vegan on Instagram, Facebook, and learn more about veganism, vegan food with a Latin twist. That is our main focus. But we just want to introduce the community to healthier options, alternatives that are easy, fast, efficient, and what we spoke about, cost-effective.
Cost-effective. Yay, love it. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being here.
Enjoy the chimi.
All right, so wait, I'm going to take a bite as we go to break because I want to make sure that you guys know that for more on Next Stop Vegan, you can visit nextstopvegan.com, and of course they're on Instagram at Next Stop Vegan. And stay tuned because Bobby C's Weekly Sports Roundup is coming up next as I eat my chimi.
Enjoy.
Chimi?
Yes, the
vegan.
chimi. Vegan chimi.
My vegan chimi.
Ay, ay, ay.
Rico.
Está bueno. ¿Quieren